Voice for Public Sector YouTube channel. Today's subject is LIC's Jeevan Umang plan. LIC's Jeevan Umang plan is a very unique and the most popular plan nowadays. Is being sold in a very high number, both in quantity and the premium. Why one should go for this type of plan? Let me explain to you what is Jeevan Umang. Jeevan Umang is a plan which gives you a coverage till 100 years. That is the uniqueness of this plan. Then we have 15 years, 20 years and 25 years and 30 years are the premium paying terms. During this premium paying term, the accumulation will happen, and from after the premium paying term, LIC gives you in return survival benefit. In nutshell, you pay money for 15 years and then LIC will start paying you the same money lifelong. Example, one policyholder pays for 1 lakh as an annual premium for 15 years. From 16th year onwards, the policyholder receives 1 lakh till 100 years. The maturity of the policy is 100th year. If a person pays 1 lakh for a 20 year plan, then he will get 1.5 lakhs. If the same 1 lakh is paid for 25 years, then the survival benefit will be 2 lakhs. And the same 1 lakh is being paid for 30 years, then after 30 years, 30th year, he will be getting 2.5 times. So the advantage in this plan, you are getting back the money till 100 years, and as per the section 1010D of Insurance Act and 80C of Income Tax Act, in both Income Tax Act you get tax exemption. While you paying the premium, you get under section 80C the tax rebate, and then while receiving the sum by the way of survival benefit or by the way of maturity benefit or by the way of death benefit, all the three occasions it is 100% tax free. That's the uniqueness of this plan. Why one should take this plan? India is a country from 1951 till today, the life expectancy has increased enormously. If you can see 1951 as per the data, the life expectancy of an Indian citizen were 31, and it has increased. Today it is around, we have 69. So, and the UN has forecasted what would be our India's life expectancy for next 60 years. It will be amazing. The advancement in medical technology and general education and the life expectancy in India has considerably increased, and 2031 it may jump to 72, and 2041 it may jump to 75, and keeps on going. If you see next 60 years, it will be around, we'll be touching 83. We'll be like a country, like a very eastern country, especially for Japan, where people live 100, 112 years. So education and the medical advancement has provided a lengthier life. So two things are important in life insurance. Dying younger is dangerous to the family. The income is totally lost to the family. The breadwinner income is lost to the family. So that one part in life insurance. But second part, living longer is hazardous. Non-earning period nowadays are increasing more. After 60, people live for another 25 years. So first 20 years or 25 years, one is dependent on their parents. From 25 to 60, a person works. From 60 to 85 or 90, again a person becomes dependent. So in this present world of nuclear family system, not there is no joint family system. In a nuclear family system, we need to fund our pension ourselves. This policy comes to the rescue and you will live with dignity. Pension means the financial freedom. Pension means is a self-dignity. You will live with a monthly income or yearly annual an amount is being received by you. You will live with dignity. So this plan gives you a guaranteed pension till you live or you attain up to the age 100. This is the uniqueness of the plan. One is guaranteed amount, second is non-taxable. This has become more attractive in these concepts, and a lot of the HNI customer, forget about the common person, HNI customers are buying in a very high premium. They pay high premium because on sum assured we are giving 8% as a survival benefit. Let us take a small example. One person takes a policy and pays a premium of 1 lakh. Let us say age is 45. His sum assured is 12.5 lakhs. He will be given a coverage from the day one at 12 lakh 50,000. Risk happens from first day till the 100 years, 12.5 lakhs will be paid to the nominee. The funding is premium paying term is 15 years for this example. Will be 1 lakh will be the premium. So after 15th year the premium stops. From 16th year, from the age of 60 till his 100 years, he will be getting 1 lakh every month, every year. 1 lakh every year he will be getting throughout his lifetime or up to age 100. LIC gives you two bonus. Premium paying period, we give you a bonus, and after premium paying period, we give you another bonus. The first time LIC has given you declaring two bonuses. So this is a unique that the fund is also growing. Your investment amount also is keep on growing, and you are receiving the money. Even after receiving the money, the second bonus is also having. This is about basic of this plan Jeevan Umang. This plan can be given from 0 age, that is 90 days baby, to 55-year-old person. And there are a lot of people who plan for their lifelong income, and we used to say for taking a female lives longer than a man. In Indian conditions, if you go through, a female lives longer than a man. So they gift a policy to the wife, or gift a policy to the daughter, a gift a policy to your son. Suppose the son is age 15, they can take a 30-year plan or 25-year plan, gift a policy. After the maturity, the son need not pay any premium, he will be keep on getting that money. This is the uniqueness of the policy. So in a nutshell, I would like to tell about this plan. This plan, Jeevan Umang, 0 to 55 one can take. The terms available are 15 years, 20 years, 25 years and 30 years. Minimum sum assured is 2 lakhs and maximum is unlimited. And your survival benefit, which is tax free, 8% per annum payable yearly till age 100. And these policies can be given to minor. They can get a premium waiver benefit as an additional rider benefit also. Apart from this basic plan, you can take a rider as accident rider benefit, which has a two specification. One is called accident disability benefit, then is called accident death benefit. So these two things you can consult with your agents, and whichever option you can take it. We have a term rider also. We have critical illness rider also added to this. This will make more and more comfortable for a person in case of any unforeseen happen due to medical or any of the specific disease. Their premiums need not be paid. So for the sum assured, whatever critical sum assured, these are all in nutshell I have given you. Why you have to take Jeevan Uma? Financially, the interest rates are reducing in India. In 1991, the interest rates were officially banks were giving at the rate of 14% as a fixed deposit. Then it's gone down every year. Now the fixed deposits gives you only 4 to 5% return maximum. So we feel a developed nations throughout world, the interest rates have been very, very low. In the developed nations, the interest rates are 2%. So India is moving towards a developing nation to a developed nation in next 20 to 25 years. Naturally, if one country has to develop, the interest rate should be lesser. Otherwise, you cannot compete with other products, compete with other nations in producing your other productions. So the interest rates are going down. Some of the countries, very highly developed countries, if you park the money, they charge parking fee. So we will not go to that stage, but we feel that interest rates may reduce still more. In this case, 8% guaranteed on sum assured is a wonderful concept. So one should secure this plan and they secure their future non-earning period. They can get as per their paying capacity. There are people who are paying 1 lakh premium per month, so they will get 12 lakhs per annum. So you can do consult with your agent and then buy this plan. Second, why you should go with LIC? LIC is an organization which is having a very huge fund. Around 32 lakh crore is our LIC of India's asset. So with this asset, definitely the sharing of profits will be more to the customer, and we give a guaranteed plan. And once LIC guaranteed, you have a sovereign guarantee. LIC has a sovereign guarantee. Whatever the money invested in LIC has been safeguarded by this particular sovereign guarantee by an LIC Act, which your money is safe. Public money for public use and for public benefit. So LIC is continuously for the past 65 years have declared bonus in a very, very high bonuses have been declared, and the settlement of claims we are leading, we are setting as an example. So the claims have been given. Even the recent corona, we have not asked for any other claim formalities. Claims have been simplified and then it has been paid. The claim part, LIC gives the best claim and in the fast also. So in a crisp manner, one should buy this plan to take care of their future non-earning period financial needs. Guaranteed. Life cover is also available from the day one, and life cover continues up to 100 years, and the bonuses are accrued. Every year the bonuses are accrued. The bonuses are two-part. One during the premium paying period. After the premium period also you are having bonuses, and you have facility to avail loan. Anytime you require a loan, that can be availed, and you have, in case a policy is surrendered, the beauty of this plan is that you will get back the surrendered value. The beauty of this plan is one of the policyholders, suppose he get discontinued the premium, the policy becomes paid up, and after the premium paying period, the 8% guaranteed on the paid up. That is the uniqueness of this plan. So plan for your future, have a secured future, secure your future with LIC of India. Thank you.